No. I didn't expect the fast weight gain I got from this meal at all. Just few weeks of feeding my baby this meal, I was shocked at the result I got.
Welcome to Chubby Baby's Kitchen, and please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you!
And so, after I started giving my baby this meal, I noticed something after just a few days. When he came back from crèche, he wasn't picking food like before, and he actually stayed fuller for longer. And what shocked me the most is that I could see healthy weight gain starting to form on his body. He was beginning to gain weight rapidly and he was glowing. And also, I was able to include vegetables into his meals without stress and without him knowing. So, if your baby is not gaining weight, you need to see this. Let me show you exactly what I made. So, first, I am starting off to prepare my broccoli. I removed the thick stems and then I pulled out the soft florets one after the other until I have finally disassembled all of them. Then I had to transfer it into a big bowl and then I washed them thoroughly to remove every dirt. Now, if you're a mom watching this and you have never tried broccoli before, don't worry. You can usually find it in supermarkets like ShopRite, Spar, Just Right, Market Square, or even some local fruit and vegetable stores. And honestly, broccoli doesn't have a very strong taste when it is blended into baby meals like this. In fact, that is one of the reasons I love using it because let's be honest, many babies are not excited when they see vegetables on their own. The moment they spot something green, the drama can begin. But when you blend broccoli into meals like this, it becomes so much easier to include vegetables without turning mealtime into a negotiation, right? So what I also like about broccoli is that it helps me to add more varieties to my baby's meal. Instead of giving him the same food all over again, I can quietly sneak in extra nutrition while keeping the meal creamy, smooth, and baby friendly. And the best part is that most babies won't even know that there is vegetable in their meal. So after washing it properly, I set it aside and I moved on to the next ingredient. Next up is potatoes, and I'm using one medium-sized potatoes. I proceeded to wash it properly first. Then I also proceeded to peel off the skin, and after that I'm going to chop it into small pieces so that they will cook faster and blend smoothly later. Now I know that potatoes sometimes seems like such a basic ingredient, but honestly that is one of the reasons I love them. They are very affordable, easy to find, and most babies naturally enjoy the taste. You can find them in almost any market or supermarket, and chances are that you already have some in your kitchen. And as a mom, we know how important it is to have ingredients that are both nutritious and budget friendly. And also, one thing I like about potatoes is that they make meal more satisfying and more nourishing. You know those days when your babies will be in school, they'll be running around in the crèche, in the nursery, playing, learning, running around and using all the energy. Meals like potatoes help to replenish that energy. They help to provide more energy to them, and that energy is what they need for their activity and growth. Next, I added two medium-sized carrots. I proceeded to wash them, peel them, and then chop them into small pieces. Now, let me tell you something very funny. When I first started making baby food, I used to think carrots were only there to make baby food to look very pretty and colorful. Anytime I see carrots in baby recipes, I just thought to myself, okay, this is just for the color. But over time, I realized that carrots do much more than that. Not only do they make meals naturally colorful and attractive, they also add important nutrients that support healthy growth and development. And let's be honest, babies eat with their eyes too, especially picky eaters, A bright and colorful meal always look more exciting than a dull looking one. So if you have a picky eater, consider always adding carrots or strawberries to their meals because it helps to attract them to eat better. Another thing I love about carrots is the natural sweetness that they add. Even if you don't add milk or you don't add banana or you don't add any other sweetener, carrots are good to go. So after I was done preparing everything, I combined the potatoes, broccoli, and carrots in one pot. So I added a little water and allowed everything to cook until very soft. This step makes everything easier to digest, and honestly, this is the type of meal I feel comfortable sending my baby to school with. because it helps to build his energy, it helps to replenish his energy, and it helps to provide all the nutrients that he needs. And because I know that what he's eating at home is already supporting his day, so once he takes this to his crèche, I am very much satisfied that he is eating healthy. Now, this is where it gets even richer. I added unsalted butter to the meal. This butter is what gives the meal healthy fat. I mean, healthy fat that can help your baby to put on weight, help your baby to stay fuller and replenish. And I also noticed something very interesting when I started using unsalted butter for my baby puree. My baby seemed more satisfied after his crèche meals, like the food was actually lasting longer in his system and it was building him up. So sometimes these small additions make a great difference in your baby meals. Next up, we're going to be using one whole egg, and we're going to boil the egg until it is fully cooked. Now, all these little things are what helps to improve the calories in your baby meals. It is not when you start loading your baby system with too many meals. No, little things like this go a long way into helping your babies to add weight. So once the egg is fully boiled, peel it and set it aside. Egg is very important because it adds protein and helps to make the meal more filling. So after everything was soft and slightly cooled, I added the potatoes, broccoli, carrots, egg, and every other thing into the blender, and I blended everything until it became very smooth and creamy. And at this stage, it looked so much like a rich homemade baby porridge, very soft and easy to swallow. And here you go, mama. Our vegetable weight gain meal is now ready. You can proceed to feed your baby this as long as it is warm and not hot. When I finished making this baby food, honestly, I didn't expect anything dramatic. But after a few days of including this kind of meal in my son's feeding routine, I started noticing a clear difference in his weight and fullness. Like, he looked more settled after meal, he started gaining weight massively, and even when he returned from crèche, he wasn't as restless or constantly disturbing as he used to be before. And what really shocked me was that I could clearly see healthy weight gain change happening in his body gradually. Like, it wasn't an overnight magic, but the weight gain was steady and it was noticeable. It was even the thing that made me to pause and think, okay, this baby food is really working. So if your baby is not gaining weight or you're looking for a healthy, baby-friendly meals you can prepare for your baby, try something like this. Please remember that this meal is suitable for babies from 6 months and above. If you enjoy recipes like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so, click the notification bell for more notifications for my videos, and try something simple like this. And if you want more meals like this, stay connected. I'll be sharing more recipes that will help your baby to gain healthy weight and stay healthy. Stay well and bye for now.